Hello students of class 6. In the last video I explained about the universe and the stars and the sun. So now in this video I will start with the planet. So what is a planet? It is actually a solid body that orbits a star and also get illuminated by the lights of the stars only. The term planet has been taken from a Greek word planetes, which means wanderers. The planets actually move around the sun in a fixed orbit and they have no light or heat of their own. They receive the heat and the light from the sun and the shine with from the sun and shine with that reflected light, means the light which is being reflected by the sun only, with the help of that reflected light it shines. Okay, there are numerous number of the planets in our solar system. So the first planet is Mercury, then we have Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Pluto is also a name of a planet which is a part of our solar system, but it is termed as a dwarf planet. Why? Because the size of the Pluto is very small in comparison to all other planets that are present in our solar system. That is why we are calling it as the dwarf planet. Like our Earth, all other planets are also circular or spherical in shape, and some planets are smaller than the other planets. But all the planets including our Earth is smaller than the sun itself. Okay, so amongst the biggest planets, if we consider Jupiter is the biggest planet and Mercury is the smallest one. So there are some planets are located closer to the sun, some are far away from the sun. So based on that, Mercury is the closest one or located closest to the sun, and the Neptune is the one which is farthest away from the sun. Okay, followed by the dwarf planet named as Pluto. The Earth, our Earth, is located at the third position in the solar system. Between the orbits of this Mars and Jupiter, there is a belt of tiny thousands of planets present. The name of those planets are, they are actually known as planetoids, not planets, because of their typical small size or tiny size, and the other name for the planetoids is asteroids. Now we are going to study in brief about the different planets that are present in our solar system. So the number one planet of our solar system is Mercury. It is nearest to the sun and also the smallest planet of our solar system. The distance between the sun and the Mercury is about 58 million kilometer, and the diameter of the Mercury is about 4878 kilometer. It is very hot in nature, and the maximum temperature of this Mercury is about 430 degrees Celsius. The orbital period of the Mercury around the sun, means the Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around the sun or to orbit around the sun, and this Mercury has got no satellite of its own. The second planet that we have is the Venus. It lies at a distance of about 108 million kilometers from the sun. It is seen as a bright object in the sky, and it is also visible from the earth, and it is known as means either in the time of the dusk or before dawn, and that is why it is known as the evening star and the morning star. Though this Venus has been termed as the star, but it is not a star but just a planet. Okay, so the diameter of this Venus is about 12,104 kilometer, and it takes about 225 days to rotate around the sun. This Mercury is also known as, the Venus is also known as the hottest planet of the solar system, because the maximum temperature of this planet rises up to 465 degrees Celsius, which is more than the Mercury, because the temperature of Mercury is about 430 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of the Venus sometimes it rises up about 465 degrees Celsius. That is why it is known as the hottest planet, even if it lies at a second position from the sun. The intense heat of this planet results because of the accumulation of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gas that is present in the atmosphere of this Venus. So this Venus also shows us what happens if the rate of the carbon dioxide gets increased. The radiation from the sun gets absorbed by the planet, and the heat emitted is being trapped by this carbon dioxide itself in its atmosphere, which creates increase of the heat extensively. And this planet also hasn't got any satellite like the Mercury. So this is the end of the video. I'll continue with the next portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.